Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel Mummy and Me. In today's video, I have a quick and easy recipe for beginners who want to try making cake for the first time. I also show you some quick tips which you hopefully find useful. So let's get started. Take butter on room temperature and caster sugar and mix it together with electric whisker. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 4 eggs and whisk it all together. At this stage, I'm gonna add flour and then mix it with spatula. And after that, electric whisker so the flour doesn't go around in your kitchen. My first tip for the beginner is how to cut grease-proof paper for your tin. After you fit the grease-proof paper, apply butter around the corner of your mold. Once your mold is ready, pour the batter into a mold. Make sure to preheat your oven as per given instruction on the screen. And now it's ready to bake. My tip number 2. How to make your cake moist and soft. For that, add sugar and vanilla essence in a pan of boiling water. Once it's dissolved, leave it aside to cool down and we will use it once the cake is done. My tip number 3. Melt some chocolate over a pan of boiling water. Stick your grease-proof paper with a sellotape on your worktop. Spread it roughly on the grease-proof paper and put it in a fridge until it's done. Yay! Cake is done now. Take the cake out from the tin and put it on a cooling rack to cool down. My tip number 4. How to cut the cake without cake stand. Now let's prepare a fresh cream. For that, I have taken double cream, some icing sugar in it and whisk it well. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and whisk it again. Tip number 5. If your icing gets too thick, then you can add milk to get the required fluffiness. Make sure to add 1 spoon at a time to avoid adding more. Now put a layer of icing onto your sliced cake, and yes, before that add the sugar syrup that we made to keep the cake moist and soft on both sides. My tip number 6. Use the egg slicer to easily cut your strawberry into perfect pieces. Now, after the assembly of your cake, if you do not have the cake knife to apply icing, then you can also use your spatula. Once done, you can decorate it however you like. Here is how I normally like to decorate it. I'm using cake decor glitter spray here. I hope you like my video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and I would like you to subscribe and stick around for more contents like this, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.